Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show off two parts I made on my new 3D printer. This is a rotary encoder knob, and I kinda liked it because it looks like a barrel from a revolver. But I'm having a little hard time. Here's a similar encoder to get this thing fit in there. It is not gonna go in there, so I don't know if I can just heat this up a little bit and if it would expand or not. I have to try it. I'm sure you guys have more clues or know better what to do or not to do. Anyhow, but I think I didn't do much with the settings yet or calibration, and I don't know, you tell me if this looks alright or not, or if it's squished too much. But I think, come on, focus. I think it doesn't look too bad. This is 0.2 layer height, and I think with 20% infill. Anyhow, this is just one thing, and I did made the back cover to my Olodiscope, and I don't know, I think I pulled it off too early from the bed and it got a little bit distorted. And now here you can see how the navigation button is not in the middle. I mean, it's still usable, of course, but well, the back I don't like that much. I don't know what happened here, and like I said in a previous video, this will still get edited, and I wrote the designer of this case an email asking him if he would supply me the base files so I can edit the switch, and I need to make room for 2 LEDs here because now my SMD LEDs are, well, actually they're in the back of the PCB, but once they get turned around they are in the front. So if this is the front, I do have LEDs in the corners in the back, I mean in the front and the back. Oops, that was the wrong, I'm sorry. Yeah, let's try these. So let me just snap one for you. Okay, so now you can see I have LEDs in the corners in the front and the back. I have yet another new version upcoming, and which has soldering pads for the SMA antenna connector, so I can make my GSM alarm cubes easier. And a few pinouts did change, but overall it's gonna be the same, and I will make a video of that as soon as I get it. But I think my Olodiscope looks that much better in a case, doesn't it? And it's still very thin, I would say. Anyhow, I hope I get a reply from my customer who bought one and made the case for it, so I can update it. If not, I will have to design one from scratch, but I kinda like these lines here, so the wavy lines, I will see. Anyhow, didn't print too many things. Oh, I did actually just the other day. Oops, let me unplug the wires. Let me put those aside. This is my, you won't believe it, 35-year-old Matex for the 650 multimeter, And yes, I have it for over 35 years now. And just the other day, as it knew I'm gonna get a 3D printer, this is the back stand, the tab broke, so I can use the back stand. And somebody on Thingiverse uploaded this. I could not believe my luck. Can you imagine getting a foot, or whatever you want to call it, for a 35-year-old multimeter? And that works. So I can make my multimeter stand up again. Isn't that cool? Anyhow, I did leave a thanks note to him, and this is just sometimes I do have luck in my life. Yeah, you can see also some little imperfections. I would like to know how to eliminate the slicer software that I'm using, the Cura engine, to eliminate these diagonal lines at the end. I mean, look at that. It's not bad, but why can you not eliminate that? Why can you not make the last layer and then it will just end in a corner? I don't know. Maybe there's a setting I don't know of. If you have any idea, please do let me know. Other than that, I showed you my case for the clock. This is just, it's a display case for the OLED display. It's not for the clock. Anyhow, now I will start to design my own part soon. So I need to make custom enclosures for my GPS and my GSM unit and the clock and the other parts also. So stay tuned. I will have more videos coming. I mean, those are nothing that matter to many people, but for people that have bought my items, might be come in handy for them. So I will update the listings on Tindy. This case won't go on sale anyway. This is just not to my liking. Since I don't see it, I forget it. So I just use it on my breadboard. If I can find the holes to the camera. No, I cannot. No, I have. Anyhow, thanks for watching and take care.